Fitbit Sense 2. The Fitbit Sense 2 comes in gray graphite, mist soft gold, and white platinum. Fitbit claims that these new wearables are thinner and more comfortable than its previous models. They are packed with features such as heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen, SPO2, tracking, sleep trends, stress response, and more. It can be purchased from Amazon for 24,999 rupees. Fitbit wearables come with a 6-month Fitbit Premium membership. Fitbit Sense 2 compatible with both Android and iOS devices. They are said to offer battery life of up to 6 days and fast charging, which is claimed to provide a day's worth of battery life with a 12-minute charge. Their display features an always-on mode. Both models also feature built-in GPS and a side-mounted navigation button. The Fitbit Sense 2 is a health-focused smartwatch that features a new body response sensor to assist users in managing stress. Through Fitbit's ECG app and PPG algorithm, the device can detect signs of atrial fibrillation, heart rate variability, skin temperature changes, and more. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.